Hey everybody, this is Jackie from Otherwise, and today I'm going to do some batch cooking, which is another form of meal prepping in large batches. Okay, so here's our chicken. I've already cooked it, and I've got some containers. I'm going to just take it off the bone and put it right in the container. So what I've got left is a bunch of chicken juice and oil from the chicken. And to keep it nice and moist, I'm just going to add some to the pan. I'm going to divide it between the two. And now my chicken is ready for me to make my other dinners with it. But it's late and I'm tired, so I'm not going to do anything today. It'll be ready for me tomorrow. So this is the next day, and I have my chicken. I want to cut it up for the different meals I'll be having this week. So let's get started. So here I have my 2 containers of chicken, and I'm going to do 2 different things with the different containers. Now I've already taken the bone off. I just cooked these in the oven. And I kept it in the juice. That's this gel here. That's also collagen, which is good for you. I've got some small pieces in here. I'm just going to leave those as they are. And I'm just going to chop this into strips. Now these I can use for fajitas, or for like adding a sauce. So when you do yours, just have a plan and know what you're going to use them for, so you'll know how to cut them up and when you'll have them, so you'll know what you need to put in the freezer and what you can keep out. I didn't want to do it last night because I was tired. And so meal prepping is about doing it when it's convenient for you. Don't try to kill yourself with it. I used to try to do those where you'd cook all day. That was back in the 90s. And that was really hard. But I was a lot younger then. And it was nice to have all that food cooked and ready in the freezer. But it's really hard to do. It's easier to do just one meat or one dish and do it in multiples. So I have several pounds of chicken here. I like dark meat, so these are the chicken thighs. So this batch is all chopped up into strips. Some small pieces. So let's go ahead and chop it up into like cubes. These would be great for a salad, for chicken salad, or for a green salad that you just put on top. You could use this in chicken noodle soup. Chicken and rice. Chicken nuggets. You could do taco soup. You could even do some shreds and do chicken tacos. You could also use the shreds in chicken soup. Just read your recipe and see how you need to cut it up and prepare it. But cooked chicken is always good to have. A lot of you may pick up a rotisserie chicken at the store, but it's so easy to make a chicken. I usually make a whole chicken in the crock pot. You could make it in the oven and roast it, or you could do like me and just get a certain piece. Like I have the chicken thighs, and so there's my chopped chicken cubes. It's really easy to do your chicken ahead of time. Just cook it all together in the oven. Just bake it. I baked mine with the bone at 350 degrees for about 40-45 minutes with the bone in. If it doesn't have a bone, 30 minutes is all you'll need. So with your cooked and cut up chicken, you can do so many things. I have a list. Chicken fajitas, chicken tacos, chicken salad, or a green salad with chicken on top, taco soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken and rice, chicken nuggets. There's just so many things, and all you have to do is add some spices. Get a recipe, add some spices, and stir it up on top of the stove. That only takes a few minutes to mix up a sauce to go with it. and dinner's ready. It does takes like no time. So I encourage you to cook some chicken ahead, cook some ground beef, and divide it up and just use it throughout the week or 2 weeks. You may only want to have chicken every third day. Well, you could have ground beef every third day and then just add some other things in with it. It makes dinner so much easier when you don't have to spend 30 minutes waiting on the chicken to cook. So the next time you make chicken, make a whole pile and then cut it up, and you'll have it ready to go for your next chicken dinner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Be sure to watch my chicken fajita recipe. It's under the freezer cooking playlist. You can also find a fabulous recipe, one of my favorites, for lemon garlic chicken. You'll find that right up above. If this topic interests you, then consider joining my email newsletter, Motherwise Monday Mail, where you'll get lots of tips, tricks, links to all the videos, my blog posts, and lots more. This is Jackie from Motherwise. And remember, dinner's at 6.